report. Alright, let's start reading.
It is sunny.
It is sunny.
It is sunny.
Yes, it is sunny. Maksudnya cuaca dekat luar tengah panas. Hari yang panas cerah. Okay. Okay,
Tim
next.
and Harry are in the beach with mommy and daddy.
Okay, good. But can you repeat this one?
Are at the beach.
Okay, yang ni kita sebutan dia Adam. Jangan sebut R ni. Okay, kita akan sebut R je. R. Yes, betul. Are at the beach. Okay, with mommy and daddy. Okay, good. Okay, another one.
Jean likes the cool sea beach.
Breeze.
Breeze.
Yes, very good. Jean likes the cool sea breeze. Okay, another box.
Hari ni kita ada kelas ke?
Hari ni apa? Ahad tu apa?
Ahad kita ada kelas ke?
Oh, tak ada. Ahad. Tak ada. Ahad tak ada.
Harry like green sea.
Ni. This one tertinggal. You miss out this word.
Deep.
Deep. Kita panjangkan Adam. Deep green sea. Okay. Harry likes the deep green sea. Okay, one box first. Okay, panjang ni. Okay, this one Adam.
Like the Individu, the daddy likes to, likes to see close caring. Coffee.
Okay, Adam. This one. Dia betul. Mommy likes the shady. Okay, yang ini, the word is fur.
Fee.
Bukan fee, fur.
Fee.
Fur.
Fur.
Fur. Ya, betul. Jadi ejaan macam ni, tapi sebutan dia fur. Okay, trees and daddy likes to see. Okay, this one is gulls. Gulls. Tahu tak gulls tu apa? Burung yang apa sini dia yang besar, bawah warna oranye tu panjang. Panjang dia punya ni panjang, paruh dia panjang dan ada kembang kat bawah ni. Dia suka makan ikan. Dekat tepi ikan yang lompat-lompat dekat tepi laut tu kan. Dalam cerita apa? Cerita mermaid ada. Seagulls. Okay. Scream. Ni scream for fish. Okay. Alright. Okay, good job Adam.